Idaho has 27 rural hospitals like this one in Emmett, and they're all feeling the impacts of budget cuts at the state and federal level. I'm your Emmett neighborhood reporter, Greenlee Clark, talking with the CEO of Emmett's only hospital and asking how these changes could impact patients. In September, Idaho cut Medicaid reimbursement rates by 4% for all providers who see Medicaid patients, taking money away from hospitals that already run on slim margins, like Valor Health in Emmett.
That 4% cut for us is in the tune of hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of the year. And when our margins are as close and tight as they are, it makes a pretty significant difference.
Federal cuts are next, scheduled for 2027 under the Big Beautiful Bill. The law reduces Medicaid expansion, ends certain supplement payments, and is expected to leave many more Idahoans without insurance.
What we anticipate there is another hit, probably in the hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. And really, it takes patients who are now eligible under Medicaid and takes that benefit away from them.
I also spoke with the Idaho Hospital Association to learn how rural hospitals statewide are bracing for the impact.
Half of our rural hospitals right now are already operating with a less than 1% margin.
Without federal funding safeguards, many small hospitals could struggle to cover losses from treating Medicaid patients.
We're estimating about 75,000 Idahoans will end up uninsured based on the provisions in the One Big Beautiful Bill Act.
A state map of critical access hospitals ranks Valor Health among some of the most vulnerable, based on patient demand, provider shortages, and its dependence on government funding. Turpin says without coverage, most people will skip routine care until it becomes an emergency.
That's really concerning for us because, like I said, they utilize our emergency department. That's not really the place to get primary care.
For now, Turpin is asking lawmakers to spend time inside their local hospitals and see the impact firsthand.
That would inform maybe some better decision making. We've done a lot of work to try to educate those elected leaders.
Valor Health will be expanding their services with a ribbon cutting for a new clinic here on November 17th at noon. I'm your Emmett neighborhood reporter, Greenlee Clark, for Idaho News 6.